Stadium Wi-Fi congestion is almost never caused by insufficient hardware. The root cause is background application chatter from ad networks, analytics SDKs, and telemetry services consuming up to 60% of available bandwidth. Three concepts matter. State table exhaustion. A firewall runs out of memory for tracking active connections, causing it to drop new requests. Edge DNS filtering, intercepting DNS queries at the network perimeter and blocking resolution for known high overhead domains. And airtime utilization, the percentage of time the RF spectrum on a Wi-Fi channel is actively transmitting data or management frames. 3 rules you cannot out-provision bad traffic. Adding more APs or bandwidth will not fix congestion caused by background chatter. Filter at the edge. Monitor first, enforce second. Never deploy DNS filtering in enforcement mode without a minimum 2-week monitoring baseline to identify mission-critical domains. And block 53, block DOH. You must block outbound port 53 and known DOH provider IPs. Doing one without the other leaves a significant gap. Read the full guide at purple.ai.